Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your client is current and logged in. Mismatched versions hide servers. Once done, enable the in-game server browser or console to get full listings. Next, set your region and a reasonable ping cap so you only see reachable servers. Then sort the list by player count low to high and set minimum players to 0. This immediately surfaces empty sessions. Make sure auto-refresh is on so the list updates while you continue searching. Now you perform a focus scan. Apply an explicit players equals 0 filter and exclude passworded servers so you don't hit locked lobbies. Once candidates appear, validate each by checking ping and server tick rate. Low ping equals better join success. Refresh frequently on a short interval so empties don't fill unnoticed, and mark several favorites as backups. If the game exposes server variables via console, inspect reserved slots and whitelist flags. These explain apparent empties that will still reject you. Finally, attempt to join the chosen empty server. After connecting, confirm your presence in the player list and perform a quick interaction like spawning or moving. If you plan to host instead, launch a dedicated or listen server and ensure NAT/port forwarding and firewall rules allow incoming players. If something goes wrong, like repeated join failures, clear all filters, restart the client, and confirm your game version matches the server. That fix solves most invisible version or whitelist-related rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.